Hello friends, in this video I will show you that how to use Google Keyword Planner. So this video is for the beginners and also Google Ads experts. They can also see and watch this video and they can learn a lot. Both beginners and experts both can learn a lot from this video. So this is the new interface of Google Ads, and let me show you if you are using old interface and if you are using new interface from where you can open. So if you are using new interface, here you can see in the tools section, if you see on the top there is planning, and if we open drop down, so here you can see keyword planner. So if we click here, so the keyword planner, you can see it has been opened. And if you are using appearance, use previous design, and for example, if I move to the previous design and see, this is the interface of old Google Ads. So here you can see in the tools and settings, here you will find under planning, keyword planner. So I will move back to the new design and tools, planning, keyword planner. So this is the discover new keywords. So here you can get keyword ideas that can help you reach people interested in your product or services. And this is get search volume and forecast. So here you can get the search volume and other historical metrics plus forecast for how they could perform. So both things I will explain to you. First we will check discover new keywords. So here, for example, if I am going to create a content like a blog post or even a product or service, like service I am giving graphic designing. So if I am searching graphic designing and location, we can select. So in Pakistan, see this many people we can reach, and if we select like United States, for then this number of people we can reach. So save. So get results and here you can see, if I close this one, so here you can see this is the first keyword that I searched. So keywords, see, you provided the keyword that I provided, we can see learn graphic designing. So average monthly searches in United States, it's 100 to 1000. See, there is no 3-month change, year to year change, no 0%. Competition is medium. So competition is medium, 3 types of competition: low, medium and high. If people searching a lot, and if you click here average monthly searches, so see, it will show you now graphic design online courses. So for this 10,000 searches, therefore the competition is medium. So you can see low, medium, low, and here you can see top of page, like this is the CPC cost per click if you are running ads, and if you are using these keywords. So this number, this range can be a CPC cost per click, because Google can charge up to 6,486 and will start from 1,529. But in some cases it can be definitely low range. So we can select here like monthly searches, and you can see how it will change. And 3-month change also you can see here, like plus 900%, plus 900%. In some keywords there is change also. So if you want to change, like if you want to change location, so we can change from here. And for example, in Pakistan, target, and we exclude United States, and we can save it. So in Pakistan you can see it's 100K searches for design graphics courses. There is not too much content on this keyword, So there is competition low. If you select like online education, you can broaden your searches. So you can broaden your search. So here Google is telling like broaden your search, so you can include these keywords as well, like learn web designing. And now if we search get results, so you can see 920 keywords ideas available according to both keywords. Now see, according to the web designing, you can see here web design course, website design course, graphic design course, online free, and other keywords you can also see. Okay. And some questions also I will clear here in this video, because some people ask me like either Google Keyword Planner is free or not. See, it's free. It's totally free, and you can see I'm using it free without paying any cost to Google. So this is a very free tool, Google Keyword Planner. And the login process also some people ask me, so you can go to ads.google.com. As I told you, you will sign in. If you have created a Google ad account, then a dashboard interface will appear like this. If you have not created yet Google Ads account, so I will add the link, YouTube video, another video link in the description of this video. You can proceed to that video and you can learn how to create a Google ad account. So after creating an account, if you are using this design, this interface, so you can go to the, as I told you in the start of this video, like tools and planning and keyword planner. And if you another design, then here in top menu bar you can see there the option tools and settings, and here planning, and you will find the keyword planner. Now get search volume and forecast for a specific keyword. So like if you click here and you type here learn graphic designing and get started, so you can see learn graphic designing. Here you can see for this specific keyword in Pakistan, you can see how much searches, and all other things are same, like low range, high range, competition, and the change according to month and year you can also find. But in the first tool like this, discover new keywords, you can find here new keywords. So you can include those keywords, the keywords that have too much searches, like we search here learn graphic designing in the United States. As you can see here, if I click on average monthly searches, so you can see 1K, 10K, see, okay. So we can include those keywords that have too much searches. See, if we change it to Pakistan even, so we can see here like target Pakistan and United States, we exclude. So you can see this keyword design graphic course. So this keyword has approximately 10K to 100K average monthly searches. So we can focus on this keyword and we can include this keyword in our content. Either we are writing a blog post, an article, or we are creating a business page in our website, or even we are creating a YouTube video. So we can include these keywords. We can focus on these keywords. So in this video, as I have explained, one more thing, let me show you. If we go to keyword planner and discover new keywords, you can also enter a site to filter unrelated keywords. So you see, in addition to the keyword listed above, a domain filter will further narrow down which keywords relate to your website by removing keyword ideas that don't relate directly to your service. So you can also include your site here. So this option is also good. Or you can start with the website, enter a website or a page to find keywords that match your site. For instance, we open here one of my websites, learneasycode.com. Here you can see like people can learn HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, Visual Studio Code. Courses can find like regarding about Photoshop, Illustrator, WordPress for beginners, BigCommerce, digital media marketing. So if we include this, the main URL, and use the entire site, so get results. So you will find according to your site. See, learn web development, learn HTML and CSS, web development course, HTML course, learn CSS. So a lot of keywords I can find according to my website content, and you can see like web development has more than 10K and approximately up to 100K searches in a month. So we can focus on this keyword. So like this, and if you go to one page like Adobe Photoshop, and if we copy this page, and if we change the URL and use only this page, now we select this page and get results. So now see, Adobe Photoshop CC and Adobe Photoshop, Photoshop CC, Photoshop subscription 2023 by Adobe Photoshop, Photoshop course, learn Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop 2023. So these keywords has too much searches. We can see like the searches, number of searches from here, like Adobe Photoshop has up to 100K searches. So we can include this keyword in our content. So in this video, I have explained how to use Google Keyword Planner, how to log in Google Keyword Planner tool, and either Google Ads Keyword Planner is free or not, I have also explained in this video. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share the video with your friends so they can also learn and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.